Today we're going to make a collage using paper and glue. So first we have to know how to use Mr. Elmer. Elmer's glue is closed and we have two clues. Clue number one is that there's a white thing sticking out right here and it's not glue. It's a piece of plastic. Now if I turn this, now it's open. And this is another clue. This little space right here means open. Ooh, now some glue's coming out, but the plastic is not there. So the plastic goes through the opening of the glue so that it cannot come out when it's closed. So let me show you that again. This is open, and I know it's open because there's a space here and there's no piece of plastic here. Now if I twist it to close it, the piece of plastic is back and that's closed. Okay, now to hold the glue, we're always going to use our pinchers, and these are our pinchers. It's a thumb and two fingers, and you can try that with me. See if you can do this. Sometimes it's hard, and this is what happens when we try to use our pinchers. But you can use your other hand and push these two fingers down and try to be able to do a pincher with just two fingers and a thumb. And this is how we hold a pencil. And it's also how we hold glue. So when I'm holding the glue, my thumb is on one side. I call this the belly of Mr. Elmer. And my two fingers are on the back. So I open it up. I'm holding it with my pinchers. Now, if I hold it upside down for long enough, it'll start, oh, there it goes. It's dripping out because of gravity. Yep, gravity is pulling it down. But sometimes it doesn't start dripping right away. So I have to do a gentle pinch. So I'm going to put the tip of the glue to the paper. And then I'm going to, oh, that was a big dot and I didn't even pinch yet. Put the tip of the glue to the paper and do a gentle pinch. Tip of the glue to the paper and a gentle pinch. So you're going to put, these dots are really big. I've got a very leaky Elmer today. But if it doesn't work or if it's working too much, you can close it and open it again. Tip of the glue to the paper, gentle pinch. Now, here's the challenge. See if you can make your dots small enough that you still see the black dot around it. So you're going to get one of these papers, and it says, a dot is a lot. So say that with me. A dot is a lot. All right, so I'm going to show you how much a dot is in a moment. So now that I have all of my dots covered with glue, I'm going to close my glue and get some paper. Now, there's some scrap paper, and you can tear it or use the pieces that you find. And watch this. I could just use that dot for this one piece of paper, or I could put my paper in the dot and pick it up, and there's going to be glue on this paper and still on that paper. So I could put that one there, and then I could get another piece. And if your dots are big enough, you could probably do like 3 or maybe even 4 pieces from one dot of glue. Another fun thing, if you have a piece of paper that's kind of long, you could put it on one dot and push it down and hold it, and then kind of curl it, put it on another dot, and you have to hold it for a minute, but Elmer's glue is very strong. So if you press and hold it for a few minutes, then it'll stay, and you'll have like a little hill or a bridge. So if you have long piece or a tunnel, yep. So you can make your collage any way you want to today. You can do big pieces. It's okay to cover up the words. You can also use crayons to color. And so the first thing you're going to do is try to cover all your dots with paper. And then if you need to add more dots for more paper, you can also do that. So just like Henri Matisse, you're going to make an abstract collage. So remember, abstract means it does not have to look like something specific. All right, so if I'm done and I want to add some more pieces, but I'm out of glue dots. I'm going to open my glue again. So remember, I twist just the orange part, not the white part. And I'm going to do tiny dots on the paper. First, I touch the tip to the paper, and then I do a gentle pinch. And in this situation, I want to put the dots on the small paper, not on here anymore. I'm putting it on the little piece of paper that I want to glue down. And I'm going to push it and hold it for a minute. All right, so you can fill this up however you want. This is your art.